Hey everyone, today I'll be walking you through how to edit your Squarespace website name step by step. First, log into your Squarespace account and select the website you want to edit. In the top left corner of the screen, you'll see an edit button, click it. Your site will switch into edit mode and you'll see your website with editing capabilities enabled. Now, move your mouse over the header area at the top of your page. That's where your site title or logo appears. When you hover over it, you'll see an Edit Site Header button appear. Click that button. A header customization panel will open up on your screen, showing all your header settings, including title, logo, and layout options. Next, click on your current site title or logo within that panel. After you click it, a pencil icon will appear. Click the pencil icon as well. This opens the site title and logo section where you can actually edit the text. You'll see a text field labeled Site Title. Click into that field and type your new website name. As you type, you'll see the changes show up instantly in the header preview above. That's how you know it's working. The preview updates in real time as you make changes. Once you've entered your new name, look for the Save button in the top area of your screen and click it. Your changes are now saved and ready to be published. Finally, click the Exit button near the top to leave the editing mode. Your site will return to preview mode, and you'll see your new site title displayed in the header and in your browser tab. A couple of quick things to note. Squarespace limits site titles to 120 characters, so if you're planning something long, keep that in mind. Your site title appears in the header on each page of your site, but it also shows up in browser tabs and can appear in search engine results and social shares depending on how your settings are configured. If you don't see the changes right away after exiting, try refreshing your browser. Sometimes it takes a second to load. And just so you know, this changes the visible title that appears on your site's header. If you want to change your actual website URL, like www.yoursite.com, that's done through the domain section instead. Completely different process. And that's it. Thanks for watching.